everyone, this is Barbara Miguel. I would like to thank my SGI family, especially since ginagawa ko lang naman to as a student, as a actress and a student. And part-time ko lang to pero joke o meron na akong check and I can't wait na madagdagan ko to. And of course, I also love their products dahil ginagamit ko siya to also maintain my healthy body. And I think na if you want to have a new family, syempre go na kayo sa SGI family. Thank you, SGI! Thank you so much, Upline, for yung Sigan. Thank you dahil sa'yo, na ako sa SGI family. And I love you so much. Please join SGI.